guys took it again because she took my fluffy birdie again because I left my pretty birdie on shopping because I let cry because the bad guys took my fluffy birdie in there. Is the bad guys took my fluffy birdie, Mommy?
No. So next time, don't forget your birdie in the shopping cart.
Yes.
Okay.
And when the bad guys took my fluffy birdie, you remember you said don't take any birdies on shopping. When you get lost at the pretty birdie, you remember you have to get you pretty birdie back again.
Or next time, don't bring any toys when going shopping.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to hold your Tweety Birdie because somebody is going to get my Tweety Birdie again.
Mm-hmm.
Because it will happen to me when I get lost my Tweety Birdie.
Okay. So did you and Daddy check it? If it's still there, or if it's or somebody in the information took it? Or is it gone when you went back?
No, because somebody took it.
They took it.
Yes, because the bad guys took my Tweety Birdie.
But we don't know that. We don't know if the
I
bad
put
guy
the
took
bad
it.
guys over there because I'm angry, like upset, because I put the bad guys right behind the door like that because he had to get out because
So that made you upset. You were upset that you lost your birdie.
yes, because I put the bad guys back over there because
So next time, be responsible, okay? And don't forget your toy. Whenever you go, you have to always remember where you put it. Okay? Is that understood?
Because Mommy, can you get my tweet if the bad guys get Mommy? I don't want to get it because which bad is the bad guys took my Tweety Birdie?
We don't know that.
Is that is my nails done?
Yeah, it's done. Yay!